Welcome back to Neglected Fury bot tutorial number 2. I am going to continue and show you guys how to set up the settings. I left off on evasion bands, I believe. Now, evasion bands, make sure it's checked. Evasion bands is basically like the IP bands, like I said in video 1. All it's going to do is make sure when a member is banned or a player is banned, they will be able to come back in with a different like name or anything or whatnot. Packet log, I'd leave that unchecked, nothing really much to do with that. Assume realms unchecked, don't need that. Log commands, like I was saying with the command log in video 1 right here. If you want it to log commands, check it. If not, uncheck it. Usually check it. It won't harm the bot or slow it down or anything. It's just going to show you a text file of who's using the commands. Proxy all bots. If you're going to use proxies, go ahead and check that. Other than that, don't. I would prefer not to. Proxies die all the time and mess up your connection and everything. Auto load ban. This will ban the flooding in the channel, and with the auto load detection, this will detect a flood, so that load ban will ban them. Start banning them. Disable inactivity titles. Make sure that's checked. That just disables that the bot's telling you that they're inactive or for however long. Connect a program execution. Leave that unchecked, don't need it. Continuous banning delay ban, make sure that's unchecked. If it's checked, it's going to continuously ban people from the channel. No matter who they are, it's going to ban them if the channel is getting flooded. Now, if you're on the US West server or the US East server, make sure you bubble the right server. So if you're on US East, bubble it. If not, use US West, bubble that. Now, add a master and an owner. A master has 100 access, the owners have 101 access. So, it's basically telling you names in such format, name at US East, or just name for a Warcraft 3 account. So you won't have to put add Lord Daron or whatever. So, my account name is Veroko at US West. That's my realm I'm in. If not, use US East if you're on the East server. Now you automatically have 101 access to the bot. Full access, that's the max amount. Now if you own a clan or you're helping run a clan and you have commanders or co-commanders, usually you put them as masters. So your commander at US West or US East, click add master. Now you have your usernames. To remove them, just double click and they'll be removed. To add, just redo the same thing and click add, and that's all. Now let's go and click create/save. When, of course, I don't have a CD key in there. If it has an issue or something wrong on the settings, it will tell you invalid CD key link. And one other thing, the native files over here, ignore all of this. You don't need any of these files or anything. So if you click download or refresh and force refresh, it's gonna screw up the bot. You're gonna have to remove it and redo the settings and redo this all again. So click exit. Now, to run the bot, double click Neglected Fury. It has a hard time sometimes, so double click it. It usually takes a little while. Just keep on clicking it until one screen comes up. So one screen came up. Now, if you're working in the configuration device right here, configuring your profile, editing it or anything, you can leave your bot connected, save it, close the configuration, and just click reload settings. The settings will be refreshed and everything. If you made another account, just click connect a profile. Of course, it's not gonna connect because because I don't have a CD key in there, but I will show you on my account, on mine. The disconnect all will disconnect all your bots. This Neglected Fury bot can connect numerous amounts of bots. You just keep on clicking connect, 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 and it will work. Now, opens you up to your main file where all your stuff is saved, your email, your register name, your home clan channel, your profile name, password, CD key, your trigger, greet enabled, proxy, and 0 ping. So, now, close that out. Let's go to proxies. This is where all your proxies would go if you're using a proxy. So just copy, paste it to it, or just type it in there. Main directory is just your folder right here that we extracted to your desktop. So let's go back. Your tray, it'll bring it down to here, but the only way you can bring it back up is if you right click and click restore. So here, right click, click restore. Here's the bot. This is my connection. The channel will show up right here, whoever's in it. And to say something, you go down to this bottom box and put something, recording. And all you do is click enter. And up here, it's going to show a timestamp of how long the bot's been connected, who sent it, and what you said. You can read whatever else people say and what their name is and what time they've said it, and it will show you who joined and who left the channel right here as well. Now, like I was saying, you can click reload settings, settings refreshed, disconnect all. My bot has just disconnected, so let's reconnect it. Connect a profile. Now, all these sent and received right here, ignore all of those. You do not need to try and mess with any of that. It will show your IP right here, of course, and it's going to say true. If it's false, then something's wrong. It should be true all the time. So now it's going to show you your username, join channel, and what channel you wanted it to join. Now, welcome to Battle.net. There are currently 3,464 users playing 101 games of Warcraft 3. I'm using the Warcraft 3 CD key, so of course it's going to show that. And then it's going to show how many users are playing, how many games on Battle.net. And the last logon, it's going to show you when it last logged on, the date, the time, which day, Tuesday, and AM. So that's all you basically need to know. So please do comment, subscribe, whatever. Just remember, one other thing, do not try and use the updater. It's required on here for it to work, but don't open it or anything. It's useless, don't work. So the README just basically tells you about it, what to do, the general setup, the configuration, how to do it, what they're for, setting up profiles. If you're going to use the configuration file, you can set up your profiles in there through text if you want, but I'd prefer not. This is just an example in the fake C key, so I don't want you guys to even pause it. I warned you if you did and you tried it, it's going to be banned, removed, fake key, invalid key. So StarCraft equal 2. So that's the Broadware connection. If StarCraft CD key is used instead of the original, if you're using Broadware. So that's all you would possibly need. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please do subscribe, register on my site, post comments. If you watched my video, please do subscribe. I really stress that. I'd like to have lots of views and subscribers to my videos. Alright, thank you.